Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
You're a Muslim,
How
right?
are you?
Your name is Akram.
Yeah,
Yeah, name
yeah,
Muslim name.
Muslim.
Okay, nice to meet you, brother. How are you? Where are you from?
Nice to meet you too. I'm from Iraq.
Iraq. Okay, okay. Islamic
Yeah,
country.
I'm from.
Islamic
Yeah,
country. Okay, okay.
yeah.
There is. I think there is in day, no? Right? Day or night in Iraq right now.
Day. It is
Day.
daytime.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
What is the time in Iraq?
It is 4:30 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
4:30.
4:30. Okay, okay. 4:30.
Yeah,
And I am
4:30.
I am from India. In Indian time is 7 p.m. Right now,
7.
here is night actually.
I see. We are about 3 hours behind.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
You are fasting right now, right?
So yeah, I'm fasting.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Before I think
Did you
almost 2 hour ago I break my fast. The 2 hour ago
2 hours
was
ago?
Maghrib.
It's about 2 hours left in here.
Okay, yeah.
So, why do you want to learn English?
Sorry.
Why do you want to learn English?
Okay, okay. Actually,
What's the purpose behind it?
I am working as a manager in hotelman industry, and for the uh,
Guests.
yes, best level, for the best income, I need to speak English
Ah,
fluently, and there is a many reason. That's why I learned to speak English fluently. And
I see.
okay, so what you do for
So,
living?
I'm a
Yes,
student. I'm
you
a
are
student
asking,
at
right?
university.
What was your question?
I said, how do you practice daily to improve your English?
Okay, okay. So actually, I
Ah,
don't speak English regularly. I just 3 or 4 uh, st- for the gap. I use this app, and I use English
I see.
from this app only. And sometimes with my
Ah,
friends offline. And actually, in my friends or family, we speak Bangla or mother tongue and other languages.
uh, are you originally from India?
Yes, yes, I am originally from India.
What's your first language? Hindi.
Sorry, my mother tongue in there is many languages in India. 22. We have 22 official languages in India. So my
I know,
yes,
I know,
yes,
I know.
there is many languages. Others many languages. We have,
I see.
but my mother tongue is Assamese. But the Indian uh, language, Indian first language is Hindi.
I see. Great, great.
So I can speak.
Are you going to gym?
Sorry.
Are you going to gym?
No, no.
Gym.
Gym, no.
Lifting up.
No.
Because your
No.
shoulder look white.
Okay, okay. I'm look like that. I go to gym, right? Okay. Before 2 year ago, I was go to gym, but just now I don't go. Okay. So how long time have you been using this app?
About 1 month ago.
One
Yeah,
month.
1 month ago. Yeah.
1 month. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are a working person or a student?
Student. I'm a student at university.
University.
Yeah, and my major is English education.
English. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
English.
Okay. So what is your which year you are studying?
English education. In the
English
future, I want to become an English teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the how long duration is your bachelor degree? 4 year or 3 year?
4 years. I have to study for 4 years.
4 year. And
But right now I'm in my third year. I have only 1 year left.
okay, only 1 year left.
Yeah. So, what city do you live in India?
I'm in Guwahati.
Guwahati.
Guwahati and Mumbai. A lot of time I stay in Mumbai.
Mumbai. Yesterday, I watched the videos about traveling to Mumbai.
Okay.
The name of the vlogger was Simon. If you like it, you can.
Simon. Okay.
Yeah. The name of the blogger was Simon.
Okay.
If you like it, you can check for it in YouTube. Just write travel vlog Simon.
Okay.
India.
Okay.
You'll find it.
Sure. And what is your mother tongue?
Kurdish. My mother tongue is Kurdish.
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 It's
in Iraq. In Iraq, I live in Kurdistan, and people in here speak Kurdish. But Arabic is the first language in Iraq.
Okay.
But I can't speak Arabic.
Okay, your birthplace is Iraq or not?
I live in Kurdistan in Iraq. It's a region in Iraq. We speak different from Iraq city.
So how many you are living there?
In Kurdistan?
Yes.
About 5 million people.
Okay. So
the time is up.
Okay. Time is up. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Bye.